today we're going to Volcano Bay, so we'll show you around. You don't have to wear a mask, so we'll see how that's like and see if we feel comfortable with everyone not wearing a mask. But we'll show you around and then you can make your own opinion if you want to come to Volcano Bay or not. So it's about 8:20. The park opens at 8:30 and there's no one here. And they have all the social distancing stuff on the ground. Signs right before security. And before every slide, they have this sign and the markings on the ground. And in the queue of the line. Yeah, but everyone is keeping their distance or trying to. There's no one really near us. All the groups are trying to stay 6 feet apart if you're not with them. And it's not really that busy either. Every time you get off the raft, the lifeguard cleans it. People are social distancing in the lines. They have markers on the floor and people are actually listening to them. It says, wash your hands often with soap and water on our Tappy Tackle. It's not that busy in here. Everyone's socially distanced. Oh. Once you get out, you put them in these bins and they will sanitize them for someone else to use. Alright, so now we're going to lunch, so we have to put our masks back on in order to walk around and go to a food stall. We're eating our lunch at the Feasting Frog. They have nachos, they have chicken tacos, they have steak tacos, and they have a poke bowl. I got the chicken tacos, Julia got the steak tacos, and they both come with plantain chips. The employee at the Feasting Frog is reminding everyone that if you want to order food, you have to be wearing a mask. Be safe and practice social distancing. So, the only thing that has a wait time is Krakatoa, the water coaster, at 105 minutes, but everything else is enjoy now. And then they have social distancing guidelines and face covering guidelines right here on this screen. We came to say hi to the spirit of the volcano, our old friend, but he's not here. So we wish you well, spirit of volcano. We hope you're being safe and quarantined. All right, I think we're gonna call it a day here from Volcano Bay. We did 17 attractions in about 3.5 hours.
Yep, so we're gonna head over to Islands of Adventure because we were able to reserve a spot for Hagrid's from Volcano Bay. So we're gonna head over there and try to get several more rides in.
Yeah, and we did want to mention that we did feel completely safe here with all the social distancing, even though we weren't wearing masks. But it's up to you. If you feel safe, come on out. And if you don't feel safe, just stay at home until another day. Since we're now leaving Volcano Bay, we have signs that say face coverings are required.
But Martin's beard, we did see Pixies.
Hey guys, we just rode Hagrid's 2 times in a row. Julia got some frozen butterbeer, and now we're going over to Universal to ride Mummy and Jimmy Fallon since we didn't ride them yesterday.
We only ended up riding Mummy
and we're just gonna get on the boat and go back to the hotel. So we're back at the hotel, and I think we're gonna call it a day for Universal. We changed into our clothes and we're gonna go over to Disney Springs for an anniversary dinner, and you can watch that in our next video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.